Would you like to look instantly slimmer without having to step foot in a gym or giving up your favorite desserts? The good news is you absolutely can with the right clothes and my 100% proven styling tricks. And today I'm showing you how. Bonjour French chic ladies, let's dive straight into my styling tips to dress slimmer without having to lose a single pound. My first tip, wear the right underwear. Sometimes we wear underwear that does not fit quite right under our clothes. For instance, a bra that can be seen through a tight top, or bra strap that create bulges under the arms, or knickers that create lumps under a dress. And why? Is because they are not the right type of underwear to wear under these clothes, or they are not the right fit to start with. And this is the honest truth. Let us know if you agree in the comments. So my lovely ladies, you already know what I am going to say. Good foundation is paramount to looking slimmer. 1. A well-fitting bra and knickers smooth out those pesky lumps and bumps around your tummy area and around the bust. Result? You look slimmer. 2. If you are able to wear all-in-one shapewear to smooth out everything, do it. By the way, this is what all movie stars do when they appear on the red carpet. And shapewear is not about squeezing yourself, it's about creating a smooth outline under your clothes. And 3, a bra that is your correct size, that lifts you up, that well supports your bust, can make you look narrower. And all this is the honest truth about looking slimmer. Tip number 2 of dressing slimmer without losing weight is the right fit. Clothes that are too tight create bulges. On the opposite, clothes that are too wide, too loose, make you look larger than you are. And this is the honest truth. The secret is a good tailoring, skimming the body, never clinging. So, not too tight, but not too wide. Ask your seamstress to make alterations to your clothes. A little pro tip for you here. When you try on new clothes, try on in 2 or 3 different sizes so you can see exactly which size fits you best. You cannot rely on brand sizing because it differs widely and sometimes even in the same brand in between collections. And this is the honest truth. Please let us know what you think so far in the comments. Our tip number 3 about dressing slimmer without losing weight is monochrome. We often see people wearing clothes that are different color blocks, and this is not slimming. Why? Because these color blocks cut the body in chunks. Not only is this not slimming, but it is not flattering to the silhouette. And this is the honest truth. Instead, in order to look slimmer, I suggest you wear one color from top to toe. This visually elongates the body and you look leaner. May I also suggest to wear dark neutrals. Why? Because a dark color recedes to the eye. You appear further away. And this is why we often say that black is slimming. However, if lighter colors and shades suit you better, you can still wear them in order to create a visually harmonious look from top to toe without harsh contrast. And this will be slimming. If you are serious about dressing slimmer, check out my e-course, Dress 10 Pound Slimmer. It will give you exactly all the techniques, tips and tricks to learn to visually dress slimmer than you are. The link is in the description box below. Our 4th tip to dress slimmer without losing a pound is think vertical. Horizontal lines make you look larger. This is the honest truth. And I've said it plenty of times. So think vertical. It is simple, I think. Vertical lines draw the eye up and down. And this is what makes you appear taller and slimmer, leaner. Here are a few examples if you wish to dress slimmer. Opt for V-neck lines, single-breasted blazers, jackets or coats, long pendant necklaces or scarves worn long, pinstripes or vertical seams on trousers. All these will make you appear taller and slimmer. Again, think vertical, my lovely ladies. A fifth tip to dressing slimmer without losing weight is shoes. Do you often see the dark shoes worn with cropped trousers? Those dark shoes create a contrast between the trousers and the ankle, the skin of the ankle. And this shortens the leg, which in turn shortens the wearer. And when you shorten, you widen also visually. And this is the honest truth. I suggest you wear shoes in the same color as your trousers, and those trousers make them long. Go for pointed toe shoes, as these elongate the foot and in turn elongate the leg. And this makes you look slimmer. What is your best tip to dressing slimmer? Let us know. Our tip number 6 to dressing slimmer without losing a pound is strategic accessories. Many plus-size women wear loose clothing in order to hide their body, and they avoid wearing belts because they think it's going to make them look even larger. But this is the exact opposite of what they should do. And this is the honest truth. I know I may get some negative comment from people who may take this personally. They don't want to wear tailored clothing or belt, but this is the honest truth. And I don't want you to take it personally, but I want you to take it seriously. So I suggest be brave. Wear belts. A slim or medium width belt worn at your natural waistline will define your silhouette. Wear your trousers belted, your dresses belted, your jacket, your trench coats, your coats belted, and you will see the real difference. You will look slimmer, I assure you. Just try it. And this is the honest truth. Which other accessories can you use to look slimmer? As I mentioned earlier, just wear long pendants, scarves, any accessory that has a vertical element. Again, think vertical. And these will help to make you look slimmer. Tip 7 of dressing slimmer without losing weight is structured fabrics. Soft, floppy fabrics that cling to the bust or the tummy or the bottom highlight areas that we may prefer to keep concealed. And this makes us look wider. And this is the honest truth. Instead, wear structured fabrics as they skim and flatter your silhouette and make you look slimmer without losing weight. And that's the honest truth. If you want to know the most effective style tips to looking slimmer, watch the video on screen now.